Everyday English phrases I wish I knew earlier. Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, I'm so happy you're joining us. And if you're returning, welcome back, my friend. Today's topic is something super close to my heart. Everyday English phrases I wish I knew earlier when I first started learning English. Because let's be honest, textbooks teach you grammar. But real conversations need real, natural phrases. And once you master these small, simple expressions, your English will feel smoother, easier, and way more confident. Ready? Let's dive right into it. 1. No worries. What it means. This is a casual and friendly way to say, it's okay, don't worry about it, or it's not a problem. Why it's important. Saying no worries shows that you're relaxed, understanding, and easygoing, a quality people appreciate. When to use it, when someone apologizes, when you want to calm down a situation. Example, friend, sorry I'm late, traffic was crazy. You, no worries, I just got here too. Here, no worries, makes the conversation feel light and shows you're not upset. 2. I'm just about to. What it means. Use this phrase when you are on the edge of doing something. You are seconds or minutes away from starting. Why it's important. It makes your English sound timely and natural, rather than using stiff textbook phrases like, I will soon. When to use it. When telling someone what you're doing right now. When answering a call or message at a busy moment. Example, Mom, are you still at home? You, I'm just about to leave for work. This shows you're almost leaving and keeps conversations very real-time and casual. 3. Fingers crossed. What it means. It's an expression people use when they are hoping for good luck. Why it's important. Native speakers use it often when talking about hopes, exams, job interviews, or anything uncertain. When to use it, before important results, when wishing someone else good luck. Example, friend, I hope I pass my driving test tomorrow. You, fingers crossed, you've got this. Using fingers crossed shows emotional support and positivity in a supernatural way. 4. It's up to you. What it means. It means you decide. It hands control of the choice to someone else. Why it's important. It shows respect for the other person's opinion or preference and keeps conversations polite and cooperative. When to use it. When making group plans. When letting others choose freely. Example, friend, do you want pizza or burgers tonight? You, it's up to you. I'm happy with anything. It shows you're flexible and makes planning with you easy. 5. Hang on a sec. What it means. A friendly, casual way to say, wait for a very short moment. Why it's important. It sounds much more fluent than simply saying, wait, which can sound rude. When to use it. When you need a few seconds before continuing. When finding something, answering a door, etc. Example, you. Hang on a sec, I'll grab my keys. This phrase keeps you sounding polite but casual, natural conversation balance. 6. I'll get back to you. What it means, I don't have the answer now, but I will find out and tell you later. Why it's important. It shows professionalism and responsibility, especially at work, without pretending you know everything. When to use it. At work. When someone asks something you need to check. Example. Boss. Can you confirm the client's address? You. I'm not sure. I'll get back to you by this afternoon. Using this phrase builds trust and shows that you take communication seriously. 7. That's a good point. What it means. You agree with someone's idea, and you show respect for their smart thinking. Why it's important. It boosts the other person's confidence and shows you're not just talking, but listening thoughtfully. When to use it. During discussions or meetings. When someone gives a good suggestion. Example. Teammate. Maybe we should test the product before launching it. You. That's a good point. Testing will help us avoid mistakes. A phrase like this makes conversations cooperative and respectful. 8. Long time no see. What it means. Say this when you meet someone you haven't seen in a long time. Why it's important. It's warm, friendly, and instantly creates a happy atmosphere. When to use it. When bumping into an old friend. When reconnecting after weeks, months, or years. Example. You. Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Simple, but powerfully reconnects relationships immediately. 9. I'm not feeling great. What it means. A polite way to say that you're feeling a bit sick, tired, or unwell. Why it's important. Instead of saying, I'm sick, which can sound harsh, this softer expression sounds more natural and polite. When to use it. To explain why you're not very active or you need rest. To politely excuse yourself from plans. Example. You. Hey guys, I'm not feeling great today, so I'll skip the dinner. Hope you have fun. It keeps communication kind and responsible. 10. What's the plan? What it means. You are asking, what are we going to do? Or what's the next step? Why it's important. It shows you're interested, ready, and engaged, not passive. When to use it. Before starting activities. When meeting friends or working on a project. Example. Friend. We're thinking of going to the movies first. You. Cool. What's the plan after that? It makes you actively part of the conversation and planning. Finally. And there you have it. 10 everyday phrases that can totally transform the way you speak English. These aren't fancy or difficult. They're small, smart tools to help you sound confident, fluent, and genuinely natural. Here's your challenge. Pick your 3 favorite phrases from today's list. Practice them out loud and use them in real conversations this week. Remember, every time you say, hang on a sec, or no worries, you're not just speaking English, you're living it. Thanks for being here. You're amazing. See you next time.